Hello there. Um, I think एंगल सही है. Okay, yeah. मैं फैन भी ऑन कर लेता तो गर्मी हो जाती है. Okay, hopefully इससे ऑडियो मैसअप नहीं हो रहा है फैन से, but yeah. Okay, my hair get oh, 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 my hair gets funny when I have my headphones on, so don't mind my weird looking hair. Okay, yeah, I think this is better. Yeah, all right. Weird start. Okay. So yesterday के जो plans थे about finishing PEP didn't happen. PEP is very long. I mean वो जो CAS जो मैं वो क्या कहते हैं extra curricular activities का जो subject है मेरा उसकी बात कर रहा था. That is gonna take some more time. Especially इसमें बहुत सारे वो घंटे भर के workshops आपको देखने हैं. So this is going to take like a significant time. So I'm hoping कि by the end of the weekend वो ख़त्म हो जाए. Plus बहुत सारे essays लिखने. I heavily underestimated. It's like 15 to 25 essays depending on, again मैंने पूरा देखा नहीं भी workshop, depending on कैसे activities मैं इसमें note down कर रहा हूँ, depending on that there will be that many essays and evidences to collect and all that. So that's going to take some time. तो PEP का वो थोड़ा हो गया delay, but the blog is live right now. I was working on the blog. Let me show this to you guys. ये देखिए आप, hoping you can see और वो blurry vision नहीं आ रहा है. The blog is live right now. I was writing it right now itself, so you can actually go and check this out on the LinkedIn page for BCN brands. तो वहाँ पे I usually upload blogs because LinkedIn is more professional, more executive लोग वहाँ पे होते हैं. That's the kind of audience I want to build there on that platform. So which is why I'm trying to maintain some sort of a social media marketing boot camp where you can learn about why online marketing, what is online marketing, why that will suit your business, why that will help you achieve your goals. Okay, don't mind that. Why that will help you achieve your goals, why that will why that is basically a better option than all the other ways of marketing. तो उसके बारे में I talk in this blog series. तो already the first episode is live. Second one just went live today, so you can check that out now. उसके अलावा what happened यार? I was नहीं. उसके अलावा actually recently I've been struggling to find a podcast or like guest. So I have to, like पहला वाला जो guest था, that was very easy to find and he was very supportive about that, but like I said he has some personal issues, so personal emergencies, so he won't be able to join, but he did promise that he will join back when things come back to normal for him. My laptop is doing funny things, screen थोड़ा weird हो रहा है. Okay, yeah. So first guest was easy to get, but now I'm not getting one. I had a very good guest in mind for the now first क्योंकि वो पहला guest तो episode shoot नहीं ना कर पाया. So now I was thinking पहला episode के लिए I found some other guest, but I was very excited for her to come on, but she seems busy. She doesn't really want to come. She doesn't want to have all this stuff public. So I think she doesn't want to join. But अगर वो आती, she would have, because वो जो company है जिसमें वो काम करती हैं वो lady, वो company is basically I think the best company in India which is using influencer marketing the most efficient way, I feel like. Definitely, like they're working with the biggest of YouTubers, they're working with the biggest of social media celebrities. Like they know their marketing well. So I thought she would have also been a great guest, but apparently she's taking some time off, blah blah blah. I get it, like no hard feelings. But yeah, so podcast might be a bit on the back burner right now. I'm especially मेरा Wi-Fi का भी थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है, अपलोड का स्पेशली. लाइक इवन दीज व्लॉग्स, लाइक अपलोड टेक्स like 2 hours 3 hours for like a 10-minute video. I can't even imagine like a 1 hour or 1 hour 15-minute video. That's gonna be crazy. Like वो literally 2 दिन बाद अपलोड होगा. So that is also weird now, so I have to find a way, of getting better Wi-Fi. So podcast mostly is going to be like, you won't be seeing any episodes soon, sadly. But आएगा for sure. There is no way I'm not gonna do this podcast. होगा for sure, होगा. अगर उतना regular नहीं होगा, but होगा for sure. I definitely want to have a podcast in this marketing line. क्योंकि podcast is a big industry and it's a growing one. So I feel like right now I've come into the market at the right time. क्योंकि right now there are not many people doing it, but we are seeing how podcast is growing exponentially. So this is the right time to do it, and especially I don't see anyone else doing marketing based podcast in India. So I feel like होंगे शायद, but not as big, not that not that mainstream. So hopefully, like, if I do this and take this seriously enough, I could go somewhere with this. Oh my god, my hair is getting really funny. Actually, fun fact, I'm thinking to do something with my hair now at last. Like अभी तक मेरा ये था ideology कि let's just let this grow and let's see इसके बाद क्या करना है. It's like having a blank canvas. बाद में सोचेंगे क्या style करना है, क्या करना है. Now I'm thinking to do something with it क्योंकि now it's getting out of control. Either I will start like doing this kind of hairstyle regularly क्योंकि इससे थोड़ा tidy रहेगा, और I'll see maybe side से थोड़ा cut करके maybe like organize this more. So if you have any ideas about what to do with this this mess, then leave it in the comment section below. I really appreciate any response of you guys. अभी तक तो like as we're speaking right now, the only comments I have is one of my best friends. He's amazing. So वही है जो वो एक like हर वीडियो में एक कमेंट आता है, always his. So I know probably वो वीडियो अभी वही बंदा देख रहा है. So hi, leave an idea below, so I get to know कि क्या करना है इस जंगल का. But other than that, wow, there's a lot of background noise today. But other than that, a lot of plans for today. So that was all about yesterday. A lot of plans for today. So the blog is live now. I'm thinking to start practicing for the like I said, calculus करना है, थोड़ा coding का practice करना है. So I'll have to do that few hours, I think like 4 or 5 hours maybe. जितने भी units हैं थोड़ा करेंगे, और उसके बाद फिर I will थोड़ा वो सरप्राइज प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे I have to focus on. उसके बारे में थोड़ा करना है. द बैंक रजिस्ट्रेशन थिंग इज़ गोइंग एब्सोल्युटली वंडरफुल. सो लाइक मुझे गारंटी मिली है कि बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस मंथ आई विल बी हैविंग अ बिजनेस बैंक अकाउंट, विच इज़ अमेजिंग बिकॉज नाउ दैट मीन्स आई कैन ऑफिशियली स्टार्ट लाइक अर्निंग. बट आई मीन अभी तो कुछ है नहीं. आई डोंट हैव एनी ऑर्डर्स और एनीथिंग, बट यह है कि आई डोंट हैव एनी POs, आई डोंट हैव एनी परचेज ऑर्डर्स. बट जब आएगा देन एटलीस्ट आई हैव अ बैंक अकाउंट रेडी. सो अभी तक वी वर जस्ट प्लेइंग द गेम कि भाई क्लाइंट्स आ रहे हैं, ओके, अगर पूछेंगे देन व्हाट बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव अ बैंक अकाउंट. सो वी आर थिंकिंग टू यूज पर्सनल अकाउंट मीनवाइल, बट दैट विल बी लाइक वेरी मैसी फॉर ऑल द क्या कहते हैं टैक्सेशन पर्पजेज. अकाउंटिंग का बहुत मैसी हो जाता. तो वी वर होपिंग कि बैंक अकाउंट टाइम में रेडी हो जाए सो दैट वी डोंट हैव टू गो थ्रू ऑल दैट मैस, एंड आई फील लाइक वही होगा. So अभी तो 24 अप्रैल है, so literally like 6-7 days left now. Like literally like a week from now exactly, I'll be having that account. So that's amazing. Other than that, what else do I have for today? Yeah? Another thing is that I have started running now. So I had stopped in the middle because I got lazy, and I feel like I'm putting back on. So I have to maintain this before it gets too out of hand. So I have to go running again around like 30 minutes a day, 20 minutes a day until I exhaust, get tired and come back. यार ये बाल बड़े ही वो लग रहे हैं. एक्चुअली क्या होता है ना कि मैं ये पहनता हूँ ऐसे करके and then this stays back. So when I take this off, then the hair fights back. It's weird. Okay, don't judge. Please don't judge. Please don't leave hate comment below. I don't appreciate. Thank you. Okay, it's quite a lot of time already. Okay, almost 10 minutes. Yeah, fine. Other than that, I have what else today? Yeah? It's not supposed to be that slow of a day. Oh yeah, I have to now. Correct. Yeah, abhi yaad hai. I have to also keep a lot of IG post like pictures ready. क्योंकि क्या है कि फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम राइट नाउ बहुत सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स ज्वाइन करते रहे बीच इंडियन ब्रांड्स, बट आई वॉज बिजी एंड ऑल दैट सो वो जो IG पे पोस्ट आप देखते हो ना कि वो वेलकम पोस्ट क्या पोस्ट, सो वो बहुत देर से मैं बना नहीं रहा हूँ, एंड आई वॉन्ट टू कीप दिस अकाउंट लाइक रेगुलरली पोस्टिंग. So I have to make like around 20 to 30 like of those pictures ready at once, because that's how I work. I try to bundle things according to kya activity hai. Instead of like making the picture then uploading and then making again then uploading, instead of that, it's better you spend like ek din mein hi like 2 hours you spend, and for the next month you're like good to go with picture uploading. So I have to spend that 2 to 3 hours today I have to spend and get those pictures ready so that you can see कौन से influencers join कर रहे हैं, and if one of them are your favorites, and you can reach out to them, leave in the comments of that picture that hey, love this influencer, would love more content, blah blah blah. You can engage with people there. And by the way, fun fact, I have seen this, I've noticed this, that जो छोटे creators है ना, the ones below let's say 100,000, जो छोटे creators मतलब in terms of like their fan following, I've seen that their fan following, their fan support is so much stronger. Maybe it's because it's a very niche audience and a very a very strong following. Because I've seen like the most number of comments I am getting in like any post is of those creators who are not like 100,000 plus. They're all 100,000 below or maybe 150,000 below. उनके इतने comments आते हैं कि भाई love your content, and it goes wild. I feel like micro influencers and जो medium size influencers हैं, even nano influencers, there are like I think nano, micro, medium size influencers are all 500k below. Medium size are like 100 to 500, I guess. I think 100k is like 50 to 100k is micro, and anything below 50, below 25k is like nano influencer. So like these are terms made by like, I'm not sure, like you can search this up, but I think that is the kind of ratio there is. You can of course like I might not like, I'm pulling this out of nowhere, so you can search and get your facts right, but these terms are actually like not made by me. So ये classification is already there, and I've noticed that medium size and micro and nano influencers have very niche, very strong audiences. So brands, if you're listening to me, like if anyone is like watching this right now other than my best friend, so take advantage of this, because they don't charge much, but they have a very strong fan following. So you might as well experiment around with it, and if you like it, you might continue with them, and they might become your brand. What do you call? वो क्या कहते हैं? Brand ambassadors. Yeah, they might become a long time deal with you. You can sign some sort of a contract. So you can always look out for that. I feel like this would be a very great symbiotic way to grow. And by the way, I talk about this whole relationship with a brand and influencer in my first ever blog, in my social media marketing bootcamp 001. So that blog में मैंने यही लिखा है, and I try to analyze the relationship between David Dobrik and SeatGeek. This company SeatGeek has sponsored David Dobrik like hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars of sponsorships, and it is crazy to see how David Dobrik's content quality increased while he had those sponsorships, and how much SeatGeek like had their profits increase as well. So like these are those kind of symbiotic relationships you should, like as a brand or even as an influencer, you should look out for, because this can really take you to the next step, and I talk about this, and of course like it's recently David Dobrik has been in a controversy, so SeatGeek has pulled out, and that's a different topic all in all, but you should look out for that blog, and it talks about this relationship for a brand and influencer. So if you're interested in that kind of content, you can let me know. I'll make more of those blogs. But basically these blogs things I was basically these blogs that I was thinking to write, I was thinking like thrice a week, but this is like a lot of work and takes like a little bit of research here and there. So I feel like instead of like thrice a week, I'll try twice, if not like once. So like because this takes like a lot of work, and I'm kind of like I kind of have a lot of things on my plate right now. So once this goes somewhere, hopefully I'll have some guy or some outsourced source. Outsourced. What's wrong with me today? Why can't I speak? Someone like, hopefully I'll outsource this blog writing process to someone, so that I can just like talk to him and I can discuss with him the details, or just give him my research notes, and he'll put this into like better language and properly written blogs, because I'm not a great writer personally. I'm just trying to put my thoughts on paper and put them online, so that all of you can read it, and if anyone is interested, you can read it, and if you like it, like if you like my idea, you can use it for yourself. So the whole idea of the blog is to provide value. So this is my way of providing value. It might not be valuable to you, but hopefully it is to someone, and you can use it then. So that's the whole point of writing the blog. It's not because I'm a good writer, not at all a good writer. So hopefully, like if this becomes big one day, God willing, if it does, then we will get like this thing outsourced, and we'll have this professionally written. So if you love it, like the post and all that, so that I can get to know कि okay, थोड़ा response आ रहा है, people are liking it, so that I can take this seriously enough. Abhi, I'm not taking it seriously enough because it is not getting that much engagement as anything. जब भी आप social media start करते हो, कुछ भी करना, you won't get engagement. That's just how it is, right? That's just how it works. So that I know, but I'll have to like keep this consistent upload, and I feel like once or twice a week is max I can manage. So let's see where this goes. Hopefully, if you guys like it, I'll continue and take this more seriously. That's my whole point. Other than that, yeah, that's about it. Tomorrow का I think यही होगा कि भाई यूनिवर्सिटी का पढ़ेंगे और प्री वर्क करेंगे, जो क्विज होते हैं क्या होते हैं वो ख़त्म करेंगे, और साथ में यही जो है ना, ये एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर का जो है वर्कशॉप, वो सारा मैं ख़त्म करना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि it's I'm not feeling comfortable now. Keeping this at the end of my list is not comfortable anymore. So I want this to be over with. And थोड़ी सी यूनिवर्सिटी की पढ़ाई करेंगे, थोड़ी सी नहीं एक्चुअली बहुत. सो लाइक बिकॉज वीकेंड्स इज द टाइम जो क्लासेस नहीं होते, क्या नहीं होते, सो आई विल बी एबल टू फोकस मोर. सो वीकेंड इज़ व्हेन स्टैक अप. सो और एग्ज़ाम भी आ रहे हैं पास, लाइक 1.5 months, तो उसके लिए पढ़ेंगे. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स अबाउट इट. अदर देन दैट आई विल सी, अगर कोई पॉडकास्ट का कोई गेस्ट मिला जिसकी मैं बात करता, जिस लेडी की बात करता, अगर वो हाँ करती हैं कल करने के लिए शूट, या आज करने के लिए शूट, then we'll shoot it and I'll upload it in like next 2-3 days, क्योंकि इतना ही टाइम लगेगा अपलोड करने में, लिटरली वो Zoom call. So I think yeah, that's about it. Mostly like today and tomorrow, nothing much exciting. It's all going to be just like studying and university stuff, and like a little bit of here and there, ये blog का अगर podcast हो गया, अगर कोई बैंक अकाउंट का कोई कॉल वॉल करना है, या ये सरप्राइज प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में अगर कुछ काम करना है, that's basically all. उसके अलावा मोस्टली लाइक टुडे एंड टुमारो इज बेसिकली ऑल यूनिवर्सिटी स्टफ. Yep, so I guess that's it. Guys, I say this in every video, and I've said this before as well, कि भाई I know this is getting annoying, but I really feel like I should say this at all times, even though I don't have anyone watching, but anyone, I have my best friend watching. If you're in India and if you are not staying at home and you're very relaxed about the whole COVID situation, please don't be. Take this seriously. There are many people dying, so let's be a bit more mature about the situation and stay at home, work from home. Guys, I'm telling you, it's not that bad. शुरू में थोड़ा लगता है, थोड़ा weird सा staying at home, but once you do that, for like 2-3 months, you get used to it and you start loving it. क्योंकि इतना convenience है इसमें. You can do everything sitting on this dining table. Like literally मैं हिलता भी नहीं पूरा दिन. I'm just here. I just go out for a run, to keep my mental state and my physical fitness a little bit like balanced. But literally all I do is like sit on this dining table and like literally just work on so many different things, but all from this laptop. So बहुत convenient है guys. Don't go out of your house, please. If it's possible, don't. अगर कोई emergency है, क्या है, of course you have to go, then please be more mature about it. Wear your mask. Don't fight against people. मैंने वो video देखा है, it's heartbreaking. This lady, who with her husband fighting with some police guy, with some cop, about she doesn't want to wear a mask. हम गाड़ी में हैं, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है. Guys, please don't fight. Please don't fight. They are saying this for a reason. And please save lives. Please stay at home. And yeah, I'll meet you guys tomorrow. Bye.